mother like daughter is andito po kami sa MOA. Tapos nagbabike. Andyan po si Mami. Ayan po. So, andito po tayo sa tabing ilog or dagat. Kasi parang dagat siya. Dagat, yes, dagat. So, yeah. A little bit of sauce because I eat hot dog. Yeah, that's okay. That's alright, that's alright. And that's my family over there. And music box. And my brother. Of course, I want to drive this. So there's a lot of people here, and there's a lot of food. There's a lot of food, okay? A lot of food. So 1 hour. So my mom's hair is so Sonia, right? Sonia. So we're already going to our place and just enjoying, and my mom is pretty.
I'm here.
Can I ride the bike?
Marunong ka? Aray ko, Jessara. Okay. Oh, sugatan ng legs mo lang. You scratch. Oh, and guys, bike kami. Oh, careful. Uwi mo ko kaya. Careful. Oh, balik ka na. Oh, diba? We are here at MOA, alang seaside. Jessara.
Mami, ang payat mo pa.
Bakit akala mo sa akin matagal? Hey guard, balik na, balik na. There's a security here. So careful.
I want to drive here, but I want... Nagpractice dito kami ni Dad, so... Ayan, over naman lang lang.
Jessara, careful ha.
Yes, I would. Look at the view.
Yeah. There's a fountain there.
I like that. I'm not going to people.
Yeah, Jara, Sara, balik na.
Back.
Balik na. So, balik na siya. Jara, careful ha. Careful. Careful. Balik ka dito, daan no. Security. Tinitingnan kami ng security. Kasi bawal po magbike doon sa may tabing dagat. So, dapat meron po siyang meron lang portion na kung saan pwede magbabike. Dito, bawal po doon sa may seaside. So, alam inside lang, bawal sa labas. Kasi maraming tao doon na may mga bata na nagpi-play. So, babalik na kami sa aming pwesto nandoon, yung aming kasamahan. You say pip 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 pip. Oh, and then thank you. And careful, Jessara. Oh, so bye-bye for now, guys. Dito na kami sa andoon yung aming ito kasi manhan ka pa. Kasi late na to magyaya ang isa na maglabas. That's why late na rin kami nandito sa labas kami. So, kasi bukas wala naman pasok. So, ayan, bye-bye for now. See you around.